Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button on your watch, the crown button right here. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and find the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called the other. And once you find the other option, tap on it. And here, find the option called disconnect and reset. And once you find it, tap on it to select it. As you can see here, we have the message that if we disconnect and reset our watch to factory default settings, it will delete our user data and stuff like that. So remember about that. Also, one thing to mention is if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, and once you're certain you want to continue, tap on the check mark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once the list of languages appears on the screen, this one, it means that the factory reset is complete. I had the pop-up on the screen about connecting it to the phone because I didn't disconnect it from the application. So if you don't want to see this pop-up, I recommend to open the OHealth application on the phone that was paired with your watch and disconnect it from it. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.